Hi everyone, welcome. Today I have QCY T13X and I'm going to show you how you can easily pair it with your MacBook. At first we have to go into our Bluetooth settings in our MacBook by clicking on Bluetooth icon and then Bluetooth settings. Now we have to hold our finger and push this button right there to go into pairing mode for at least 3 seconds. 1, 2, and 3. Now we have to remove both of our headphones from our case. And now we have to wait until our device is found in our devices. As you can see, it's found. Now we have to click on it and click connect. That's it. Hope it helps you. Goodbye.